All right, Kelly Belly back with you, and I am making smoked egg salad today. So here are my eggs. I smoked them for about 90 minutes at 225 a couple days ago. Got them all good to go. So that smoke penetrates right through the shells, makes the eggs nice and smoky flavored. So first steps first, I'm gonna go ahead and shell them, put them in here. I'm gonna add a little bit of mayo, a little Grey Poupon. Then I'm gonna use a little 1836, which is like a peppery steak seasoning, along with this, which is dill pickle seasoning. So these are gonna be my two seasonings, little mayo, little Dijon, smoked eggs. It's gonna make some awesome egg salad. First step, I gotta go ahead, now I got them all peeled, is go ahead and mash them up. So one other thing that's interesting, so first of all, using farm fresh eggs, you get a higher yolk to white ratio, but also because of how I peeled them, I lost a little bit of egg white. I've got a very high yolk to white ratio in here. Just saying. Maybe even want to pull out a yolk. I pulled out two, now I pulled out 3 yolks, which helped me get it back to closer to balanced where I want it. All right, so we're gonna just kind of wing it now. We're doing Kelly Belly style, which means, I gotta talk to the camera. Kelly Belly style, so it means I'm winging it. I'm just kind of gauging as I go how much of each ingredient to add. All right, I'm gonna start with that for the mustard. Now for mayo. (1836), which is a peppery beef rub. Dill pickle seasoning, which has gotten hard. All right, let's go with that at the start. All right, so now we're gonna do a little taste test, see if we need to add anything to it. Say a little more 1836, needs a little bit more peppery flavor. But consistency is spot on. I love that dill flavor in there. That dill flavor is good. It's all done. Got my smoked egg salad with dill flavor in it, a little bit of peppery, beefy flavor in it. Tastes great.